This is a demo of Fabflix, which is project 2 for CS122B at UCI. This is done by Daniel Binoy and Kenny Fu. This is Daniel Binoy speaking. So first I'm going to SSH into my instance on AWS. Next I will just do an ls to show there's nothing in the home directory. Next I'm going to clone our repository into the directory. So I'll just copy that. There we go. It's currently cloning it into the repository. Now with another ls, I can show that we have the repository there. I will cd into that repository now. Next, I will run git log to show the last commits. Next, I will show my data counts by saying this. And I will change my test user to my username. Next, I will show my records in the sales table from today. Oh, hold on. I have to edit this to put quotes around this. About. So you can see these are like previous runs that we did. But yeah, the last number here is 13622. Okay. So let's see. Next, I have to run mvn package. So I'll run that. Next, I will show my Tomcat Web Apps folder, and you'll see that it has nothing in there. Next, I'm going to copy my newly built WAR file into the folder. I need to do that with sudo. There we go. Next, I'm going to show the Web Apps directory again. For our project, we did it using React, so we have a couple extra steps, which we detailed in our README, but we can navigate into our Fabflix folder. And then we'll copy the build into the Tomcat Web Apps directory. We had to build it on our development machine and then push the build. That's just because this AWS instance is just not powerful enough. In theory, if the AWS instance was more powerful, we could have just built it here with npm run build. But we're just copying that build into the Tomcat Web Apps directory. We're also going to copy some configuration files that we need. And yeah. So next, I can also show once again the Web Apps directory now. So we have backend, frontend. If I refresh the Tomcat Web Application Manager, we can see we have some new paths. We have the frontend at just slash, and the backend at slash cs122b-spring21. Next, I'm going to make sure that I have my network panel opened in my web dev tools, filter by XHR, and I am going to refresh this again just to show. Okay. Next, I'm going to go to the actual project, which is here. Yeah, I can do that one more time. There we go. Let me actually make this a little bit bigger, just so we have some space to work with. And I'll make this a little bit smaller. Okay. So let's see. Right now we're at the login page. I can demonstrate that we have redirection working by trying to go to like /cart, for example. We're just redirected back here. I can try going to /payment. Again, we just go back to the login, and I can just go back here. Again, still at the login, right? So next, I am going to enter the email a@email.com with the wrong password, right? I'm going to try clicking login. We'll get login failed. Please check your credentials. Next, I'm going to try putting in A2 as the password. And I'll click login. It says login success, logged in as a@email.com. Next, I'm going to demonstrate searching and adding to the cart. Our searching feature is right up here. We're going to search by the title term and the year 2007. So we'll just do min 2007 and max 2007. It's inclusive for us. What the? Oh, sorry. Sorry, title term and star Tom, my bad. There we go. There we go. Okay. So we're going to click add to cart there. That is movie A, which is the terminal. We can search by director vidm and year 2007, so I'll clear the title. Vidm. Vidm is the director, and the year is 2007, so 2007. Let's submit, we get the final season. So I'll click add that to the cart. That's movie B. Next, I'm going to search by the title, The Terminal, and the star Tom Hanks in the year 2004. So 2004, director can be anything, star can be Tom Hanks. All right, submit. Again, we get The Terminal. We'll add that to the cart one more time. So now I should have 2 copies of The Terminal in the shopping cart. Next, from the main page, I'll navigate to the browsing feature. So I'll just clear all of this. I'll reset these filters. I'll reset and submit. There we go. So now everything's reset. Next, the browsing feature we have kind of built into this little sidebar. So we have genres here and titles here. Next, it says browse by title Z. So we'll scroll down to Z. You can see we have all the movies that start with the letter Z. Next, they said browse by the title star, which means just anything with special characters. You can see these are all movies with special characters. Let's see. Next, I want to browse by the genre drama. So drama will be right here, right? So these are all drama movies. Let's see. Next, I want to click on another genre and go to a new movie list page. So let's just try comedy, right? Then let's see. Select one movie from the new list and go to the single movie page. Let's try Engaging Peter, or maybe, I don't know, what's a good one? I want to find one with a poster. There we go. Here's one with the poster. So we use TMDB API to get the poster image as well. Let's see. Next, I want to add that to the cart from the single movie page. So this is our single movie page. We have an add to cart button here. We'll click add to cart. That's going to be our movie C, Anbe Sivam. Next, we're going to go, I guess, back to the movie list page. Search with, I'll reset these filters. I'll search with the title Love. Hold on. Search the title Love, right? Display with order rating descending, title ascending. That's our default order. And 100 items per page. So now we should have 100 items on this page. And we are currently on page, whenever we get there, we're on page 1, right? You can see that if we try to go to the previous page, we can't because there is no previous page button, right? If we click next page, we'll get some more, right? We kind of have a loading animation, but yeah. So next page again, and we'll see that we have no results, and then past that, we can't go any further, right? So we've kind of handled the maximum pages. Let's see. Next, we want to change the movie list page to display with the order rating ascending, title descending as a tiebreaker, 25 items per page. So movie list page to display with order rating ascending, title descending. So rating ascending, title descending, 25 items per page. And let's see. With order rating ascending, title descending as the tiebreaker, 25 items per page, go to the third page and click the first movie, then the star of that movie. So we're on page 1, next page, and next page. We're on page 3 right now. Click that first movie, Everybody Loves Alice, right? Then find the first star of that movie. That's Mary Richardson. Right? We can see the movies that they were in. We can go back to the movie list page, and we can see we go back to the love search result at the third page with the order rating ascending, title descending, 25 items per page as before. So we have that persistence. Next, we're going to navigate to the shopping cart page. Right, so we're back here. Next, we will, it should display 3 movies, 4 copies in total. So we have movie A, which was The Terminal, 2 of them. Movie B, which was the final season, 1 of them. and then movie C, which was on Beisebam with quantity of 1, right? So let's see. Next, what I want to do is I want to, let's see, hold on. Right, 3 movies, A, B, C. Next, I want to change movie A quantity to 1 so I can remove a movie from the terminal, like remove one of them. I will refresh the page to show that it all still stays there. I want to change movie B quantity, so that's final season, to 3. So I'll click add and then add again. I can refresh again to show that's still working. Let's see. Then delete movie C. So movie C I think was this one. There we go. If I hit refresh, we get the terminal and the final season, quantity 1 and quantity 3. Okay. Then I can proceed to payment. So we get our little payment dialog. Then I'm going to try entering the wrong credit card information. So I'll say Daniel Binoy. And for card number, I have like a card number generator. So I guess I can try like a Discover card, for example. All right, we get this. Actually, maybe let's do Visa. Let's do Visa, just to have fun with it. All right, so we'll do Visa. We can just put like any expiration date and any CVV. Right, we'll hit place order. We'll see payment failed. Check user payment info, and we can also appear error credit card info does not match any records. Let's see. Next, I'll enter the correct credit card information. So I know that we have Bill Wang, and the credit card I have ready to go over here. Put that in there. I can try placing the order, and we can see we get payment successful, right? And we get the sale IDs back, the movie ID, the movie title, the quantities and the prices, and the order total, which was $11.96. Then I can go back to the terminal, and I can show the sales records. So I'll just run the same command again. Hold on, let me just edit it over here. I need to put quotes here. But yeah, I'll take this, and I'll just copy paste it in here. I'll enter my password. And you can see now we have those 2 new sales. Again, remember that was 1363 and 1364. Quantity 1, quantity 3. Movie IDs match, everything matches, right? And I think that's it. And then I guess just as an extra, if they wanted to go back, you just click back here. And you'd be back here. Still logged in. And you can also log out. And we're back where we started. So I think that is everything. All right, once again, that was CS122B, Fabflix demo, checkpoint 2. This is done by Daniel Binoy and Kenny Fu. And that's all. Thank you.